So here we have a retractable fast charging. This is a 4-in-1 retractable car charger. And here what we have, what do we mean by 4-in-1? What we simply mean is that this device can actually, it has a lightning charging plug for your iPhone. You know them, the lightning charging port. Hapa. It has Type-C charging plug. This is for your Android devices. It has USB-C charging port, and it also has USB-A charging port. Okay, so definitely this is a 4-in-1, and this is retractable. I don't know whether you can be able to see. Here is it. This is for Android. It is 30 watts. It has a PD, that is power delivery. This is USB-C. It has 3 amperes there, USB-C. This is USB-A. It has 2.1 amperes. This is for iPhone. It has 20 watts. So this thing is retractable. I don't know whether I shall be able to do it with one hand. Kama mnaona hivyo, I'm just using one hand. So what happens ukiachilia inajirudisha ndani. Plus it rotates at an angle of 180. I don't know whether you can see that. In a direction, an angle of 180 degrees. So it's perfect for your car. This one we are only selling at a cash offer of 3,000. We do deliveries. This one can be sent actually wherever you are using a pickup mtaani or any other courier services. We are located in Kitengela. Our number is 0799 438 100. This is Rhino Auto Hub.